Hi, this is Dr. Meese, and I wanted to welcome you to this online section of echd 2435 in the fall of 22. I'm glad that you're in this class, and I wanted to go over just a couple of things with you so that you would know what to expect. First of all, I wanted everyone to know something. You may, on your Canvas, there may be a pop-up or a class that asks you to register for a background check or fingerprinting. If this is the only class you have in education, then you won't need to do that. In this particular class, we won't be going out to anywhere to do observations. Our observations will all be online, so you will not have to fill out that check for this class. You may have other education classes where you will need to do that, so I can't speak for those. But if you are only taking this class, then you won't need to. Textbook. Our text for this class is an open source textbook. I've tried to do that to reduce the cost, but you've got two options. Number one, your Canvas here has every bit of the same material that's in the course textbook. It's in each week on Canvas is basically a chapter in the text. Now, if you want to use that online, you can use that for free, and that's great. Sometimes students like to have a paper hard copy of a book they can read through or mark or annotate, and our quizzes in here will all be open book on the Canvas, and so you can use that textbook if that would be easier than using it online. You're welcome to do that. The bookstore has a stack of them. You can get them on Amazon.com. Again, I tried to keep the price down so they're $25, but the choice is really up to you. Whatever works best for your learning style. The way this course is organized, I've set up a module for each week, and each week has that reading which corresponds to a chapter in the textbook. There's a discussion post for each week. There is a quiz about each week's readings. This is set up as a class that's an introduction to children's development from really before they're born through infancy, early childhood, into the elementary school years, up to the transition into the middle school years. This is a class that is required for some majors. It's a foundation course for elementary education students and for early childhood education students and for some special education students, and also for family and child studies. There are also students that take this class from a variety of programs around campus: nursing, social work, psychology, and so on. And so this isn't a class that's narrowly defined to really fit only one program. It does serve as a foundational course for some programs, but it's also, my intention is for this class to be widely applicable to students in a variety of programs. So as you're looking around this Canvas site, you'll see that each week there is a reading assignment, a corresponding discussion, and a corresponding quiz. The due dates are all there on your Canvas. You're welcome to work ahead if you want to, but please don't get behind, because then it becomes hard to catch up. Your syllabus is here. You should read that closely. As you know, there's now a university-wide community syllabus. You should be familiar with that too. I can't remember if I wanted to tell you something else, so I think I will let you go and look around this Canvas site. There's also lectures online if you're a person that likes to hear or see the material in that kind of presentation. Look around. I think the organization is fairly straightforward. I think you'll get that once you give it a try. You'll just follow along each week. If you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to email me. Also, we'll have some both in person and on Zoom office hours, so please don't hesitate to use those as well.